and breathe. So far within this playlist, we've been concentrating on getting you up and running for your PCEP, your Python Certified Entry-Level Programmer exam, but not actually focusing on the objectives for the exam. To be able to work with Python, that you need Python installed on your system. You need an editor to be able to create codes on your system. So we've looked at installing Python, and we've looked at using either text editors or IDEs, integrated development environments, to edit your code. But you'll also need to look at how you can execute the code. You can execute it from the command line. You might be able to execute it from within your IDE, but we've also seen how using Jupyter Notebooks, we can use this Python solution to execute our code as well as editing our codes. We'll be concentrating on Jupyter Notebooks as we continue into this course and we start looking at the main objectives of the PCEP exam. Next up, we're going to look at section 1 of the exam, which is called Computer Programming and the Basics of Python Coding. As we work our way through this, we'll be taking a look at understanding some of the fundamental terms and definitions, understanding Python's logic and structure. We'll be introducing literals and variables into our code and using different numbering systems. We'll be choosing operators and data types that are adequate for the problem that is presented to us before looking at performing input and output console operations. So if you're looking forward to getting into this, wait for my next video where we'll be starting on understanding the fundamental terms and definitions.